I've always wanted to be on television. So I came in with the mindset that, I thought it would just be, you just be on television, you just be a superstar, you just start making money. But we took it back a bit, yes. We're on television, they know us. We're, the money. So I had to learn how to put it together. It's okay. When it is necessary to enter the, I go now, isn't it happen now? I could do that. And when it was necessary to be the, hello everyone, my name is Adele. How exactly, so I had to balance both, and so far it's been good. Happy anniversary to Wazobia TV. We are growing from strength to strength to strength. Notice I said we because I'm part of the team. It's We TV. It's our TV.